Hello, hello, hello! Good morning! Maaga tayo ngayon. Good morning! It's 11:45 p.m. PM. Sabi ko maaga. 11:45 a.m. na po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, I hope your day is amazing. You are happy, you are healthy, you are loving life. Oh my God, it's beautiful day here po in Ontario, Canada. It's 25 degrees. Katatapos ko lang magturo at the rooftop. Oh my God, nagtuturo ako ng cardio. Look. 3 days na dire-diretso ako na nagtuturo every morning, and then doon ako sa sa rooftop. Oh my God, look. So I'm so tan, but it's good. It's free workout for me. Have fun and then free tan, di ba? So who doesn't want free, right? I love free stuff. Right? Yes, so, and I got a free vitamin too. Vitamin D, right? Yeah. So anyhow, yes, connecting with you guys. Maraming salamat. Shout out muna sa aking mga followers diyan. We grow bigger, 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 and bigger and bigger every single day. So maraming salamat. Yes, for engaging into my post. Maraming salamat for following me. Thank you for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you. And kung kayo ay nagpa-follow sa akin na matagal na, so you know that every single time na mag-live ako, I always want to have something na i-share sa inyo, yung aking mga conversation. So anyhow, today, iba yung ating pag-uusapan. It's not about the business at all. Okay? It's not about the business. It's about the podcast na pinapakinggan ko regarding AI. Oh my God. Very scary, you know? Very scary. Pero kung kayo ay nasa opisina, okay? Kung kayo ay nasa opisina nagwo-work, talagang maano na kayo. Tawag nun? Kahit yung mga manufacturing places, di ba? Ang dami ng robot ang gumagawa, di ba? And then yung sa mga opisina din, ano na kayo, tawag nun, dapat mag-ready na kayo pero kung nasa trade kayo, kung halimbawa electrician ka, plumber ka, or whatever, kung nasa trade kayo, mechanic, yan safe tayo, di ba? Safe because ang AI is so hard to replace with that. Pero kung nasa opisina kayo, oh my God, be ready na. Ano lang ako, last night kasi, yun ang pinapakinggan ko. Last night or was it yesterday? Yun ang pinapakinggan ko. So, ang drive home ko kasi is 30 minutes. So, every single time, like, you know, both ways, nagde-drive ako. If I'm going to work or I'm going to teach, yan ang pinapakinggan ko. I listen to podcast na nakakapag-motivate sa akin things that I learn, you know? Hindi yung mga balita na nai-stress ako, no. I try to, like, you know, I try to feed myself with positivity every single day. Okay? So, yan ang because so many things that are happening around us, kung hindi natin i-motivate ang sarili natin, imada-down tayo. Diba? Don't wait for other people to motivate you. Motivate yourself. Diba? So, yan ang pinapakinggan ko. So, I was listening to this podcast and they're talking about, like, you know, improving yourself because, like, you know, AI, artificial intelligence, ay talagang na-dominate na tayo. Because, like, I was listening to this podcast na how many companies na ang talagang instead of hiring, one of the company that was mentioned, one of the company was Mind Valley. If you guys are into, like, you know, Mind Valley is one of the pinapalo ko kasi yung tawag nun, yung founder ng Mind Valley because I learned a lot. I learned a lot from him. Vision Lakiani. So I learned a lot from him. So imaginein mo, they have offices around the world, and imaginein mo if, like, you know, nung he found out na ang AI talagang nakakatulong sa kanya, you know, he's a founder of Mind Valley, pero meron pa siyang maraming company. Okay? Hindi lang iisa, but he's working less. right? Because of AI. So yun ang ang advice niya is talagang to learn, like try to learn something na mag-improve kayo every single day. Try to prioritize your growth dahil yan ang nakakatulong sa atin. So imaginein mo, imbis na instead na mag-hire 35%, sabi niya 35% of the company na they're looking for something to hire, and then ang ginawa nila is yung 30% is wala na, 5% na lang. Imaginein mo yan because 30% ay AI ang gagawa noon. See, imaginein mo yan, ang whole editing department niya is talagang dinisolve niya because of AI. See? So talagang kung yan pa lang, kumbaga sabi ko sa sarili ko, oh my God, it's like it's never too late to learn something new. It's never too late. Okay? So I'm not saying this one because of course for most of you that follows me, you guys know na I am building my online business alongside my my part-time job. So nasa healthcare ako. So ang healthcare is talagang needed yan. Okay? Hindi yan marireplace ng AI. Pwera na lang kung nasa opisina part ka. But if you are in the field, meaning talagang tawag nun, you're looking after a client, a patient, then hindi ka okay ka lang, right? So yun ang nasa healthcare ako ngayon. So I'm safe, like I feel safe. And on top of that, it's not only that I feel safe on my field right now. On top of that, I feel safe because again, I am doing something on the side, like with my online business, and I really put in time to grow every single day. Right? I really put in time. I'm not gonna say I try. I really put in time. It doesn't matter if I only have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes to put in for my personal growth. Yan ang pinaprioritize ko. Because you know what? If you are not like kahit na safe ang natin ngayon, ang kung saan man kayo in your field, in your job, kahit na safe ka, well, we don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow, right? It's never promised. So it's better talaga that you will be proactive. Learn as much as you can every single day. Yan ang masasabi ko, because and do something on the side alongside your full-time job, because again, we'll never know, right? But if you are like just like for myself, I when I found out my online business, I was working full-time in the resort. I was in sales and marketing, right? So I started that. But because I wanted to have quality time with my son, I didn't want to work on the weekends anymore. Having my online business on the side has given me courage to left my full-time job, and now that's why I transition into healthcare, na talagang pinili ko that the time will work for me and I don't need to work on the weekend. See? So kung meron ka kasing ginagawa para sa sarili mo, it will boost your decision making. It will boost your tawag nun, your confidence na magiging okay ka because you are doing something on the side for yourself. Okay? Now, in the same way, if you are if you are allotting time, Amor, thank you sis for watching. If you are allotting time for your personal growth every single day, then kampante ka. Kung mangyari na kung mangyari na magle-lay off ang company mo, kampante ka that you can find another job because you are doing your best to grow every single day, to learn something different outside of your field, outside of anything that you have going on right now. So magiging kampante ka, right? Because let's face it, ngayon, one source of income, it's not gonna cut it. No. It's not gonna cut it. No. So, kung tawag nun, if you are like, if wherever you are right now, kung hindi kaya ang tawag nun, if you are living like, paycheck to paycheck, or like, talagang nakakaraos lang na wala kang extra, then you should be thinking of doing something different. You should be thinking of doing something on the side. Right? Wag mong intayin na ang AI ay talagang mag-take over sa job mo, at wag mong intayin na tawag nun, na parang i-hand mo yung future mo sa ibang tao. Parang i-rely mo sa ibang tao. Do something na magiging kampante ka. Thank you for my viewers. Magiging kampante ka na whatever happens in the future, you know that you have something, you are already working on something for yourself. You know na hindi ka lulubog, because you are working, you are building something for yourself, which no one can take it away from you. Now, knowledge is very important. I'm not saying that I always say, that's why I love my online business, because I grow every single day. Right? Hindi lang isang aspect ng buhay ko ang nag-grow, which is talagang super amazing. So that's why, Gwen, thank you for watching, ladies, thank you. And so that's why, right? Because sabi nga nila, if we're not growing, if we're not learning something new every single day, then andyan na tayo, stuck na tayo. Do you want that? No. Right? Hindi natin alam. It's good, planning, of course, it's good. It's good to work on some. Planning is good, but if you don't, kung hindi mo yan sasamahan ng work, then planning is just a fantasy. Diba? So yeah, so anyhow, yan ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo today. So don't wait talaga na may mangyari before pa man kayo gumawa ng paraan to build something for yourself, to learn something every single day, para at least nagbabangko ka para sa sarili mo, right? Kumbaga nagdi-deposit ka para sa sarili mo. It doesn't matter kung kung ano yung time na meron ka. It doesn't matter if it's only 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour. So long as you're doing something for yourself, especially for your growth every single day. So yan ang natutunan ko sa kakapakinig ko ng ng podcast, right? So yan ang ko every single day. Talagang walang palya yan. I listen to podcasts kahit I follow a lot of people, mga successful people, right? And on top of that, I read books, and I try to read books. Yan ang ko, talagang sasabihin ko na try, because sometimes I could not, but listening to podcasts is very easy. It's very easy, especially kung nagko-commute ka. Kung nasa bus ka, kung nagko-commute ka sa bus, it's very easy. Buy a headphone. Listen to podcast instead of scrolling, di ba? So yeah, so I hope na I have given you value today. Magagas up ako today. So yes, and maraming salamat for tuning in. I hope I have given you value. I hope I have given you something na ma-educate kayo, and I hope na nakadagdag 'yon sa tawag nun, sa things na gagawin natin, di ba? So do something na mag-i-improve kayo every single day, because whatever you learn, whatever you deposit into yourself, walang ibang tao na makakapag-withdraw yan kung hindi ikaw lang. So yan ang very, very valuable investment that we can have, is to learn something new every single day outside of our field, outside of whatever you guys are doing, whatever job you have right now. So outside of that, try to do something different para may edge kayo, may edge tayo, just in case, like, you know, something happen, because we'll never know. If we equip ourselves, then ready tayo, diba? So anyhow, yan lang po today ang aking isi-share. Thank you Sis Amor, thank you Gwen for watching. Maraming salamat. And yes, so I hope na-inspire ko kayo. Thank you again, and I will touch base with you again later. Nasa gas station na ako. Thank you ladies. Have a great day. Ingat po. God bless.